Hey guys, Mike Serwinski here with MetaLOGIC Design. I wanted to create this video for you to show you exactly what goes into one of our free digital marketing plans. So at this stage of the game, we will have had a discovery call where we learn more about you and your business. We start talking about the strategies that you've used in the past, which ones have worked, which ones have not. And then we start talking about what your goals are for your business and your digital marketing moving forward. So once we have that information, our team starts putting in the work. We start researching all aspects of your digital presence, and we start looking at all your competitors, and we start seeing if there's any vulnerabilities or low-hanging fruit that we could take advantage of to get you results right off the bat. So once we've gathered all that information, we create this custom digital marketing plan that has our opinions on your current situation, what your competitors are doing, and then customizable action plans that we think will help you reach your goals within your time frame and within your budget. So let's dive into this. This is an actual proposal from one of our clients, so I am going to blur out some of it, but as we go through, you'll at least get the gist of what's included in the marketing plan. So here's our cover page. We're going to start off by saying how we're going to grow your business like never before. And then this is our mission for you. It's kind of like our oath for you. We are small business owners ourselves, and we know how important it is to get the most return on your investment. We run Google Ads as well. So we understand the importance, and we treat all of our clients' campaigns and budgets as if it is our own. So that's our promise, our oath to you. And then also on this page, you'll see a recap of your company's goals. So this is what we uncovered on the discovery call. We go through that just to make sure that we're all on the same page moving forward. So the first thing, we take a digital snapshot. In this case, it was for Google Ads because this client was running Google Ads. We show them what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong. We can see what keywords they're bidding on, and we start looking at their some of the ads, and we can start realizing where there's room for improvement right off the bat. So this one is also a snapshot of Facebook ads. So they are running Facebook ads, and we were able to see in the Facebook ads library what their ads look like, how long they've been running them for, and then what their competitors look like. And then again, we can see exactly what needs to be done to improve their results. And then for this client too, we did a local SEO snapshot. So she had noticed that some of her rankings were falling off, and we created a snapshot of why. And we saw the exact same things through some of these charts. So this is a total snapshot of their local SEO. And then we have a comparison chart of their top competitors and how they rank compared to this account for the most profitable keywords in that industry and in that area. So after we go through all their current situation, we start going through the action plan. And our action plans are based in order of priority. So in this instance, the first action plan for us that we wanted to take advantage of and we think would get them the results they need would be optimizing and taking over their Google Ads campaign. And we spell out what's going on right now and some of the tips and tricks that we would use. Action plan number 2, in order of priority, was revamping their social ads campaign. So we knew that some of the creatives weren't right, some of the targeting looked off, and even the ads, the words that were in the ads and the titles and descriptions didn't make a lot of sense. So this was our action plan number 2. And then we have our action plan number 3 for local SEO. Same thing. This is what we would do and why. And then we get into the pricing. So we did have several options of pricing in this case. Option number 1 was just for one of the services. Option number 2 was for another service. And I believe we had another option as well that gave them 3 options. If they wanted to get really aggressive, they could go all out and do all 3. And then if they wanted to scale it back and start slowly, we had an option for that as well. So this is an example of one of the digital marketing plans that we create. They're all customizable to you and your area, your business goals, your budget, and your competition. So we hope that this information helps when you're thinking about filling out that form and seeing if you wanted to get one of these for free. Just remember too, these proposals or these plans are action-packed and filled with good information and tips and tricks. So even if we present one of these to you and you do not want to move forward, you can still walk away with some great information that you can implement yourself. So once again, thank you for your time. We hope that this helped you. And if you ever want to reach out to us for any of your help for digital marketing, you can email us, you can fill out the form, you can text us. That's all on the website, or you can call us. So we're here to help. And hopefully we get a chance to talk in the future and see if we're a good fit. So thank you. Thanks again for your time. Take care.